I'm Erik Witcraft AIFD, and today I'm going to share with you this beautiful holiday arrangement and or winter arrangement that would be perfect to show your clients that are looking for something a little bit different and outside the box. To begin this design, I placed a mache container inside of this Grecian urn. I've anchored into it pre-soaked floral foam with waterproof adhesive tape. From there, I started with the white delphinium from Royal Flowers Inc. They're incredible for this time of year. So I simply inserted all of the different stems directly down the center of the oasis, getting a nice deep insertion so they'll drink really well. I used the blue ice cypress. I incorporated some of the brown-backed southern magnolia, which is one of my personal favorites. I used seeded eucalyptus, dusty miller, as well as some cedar incorporated into the design. Next, I added in some of the color-shifted roses that are from Royal Flowers Inc. They come pre-shifted in all different tones of beige, brown, ivory, and even kind of a taupe color. So just tucking those in at different levels to create visual depth and interest and pull the eye into the design. This is the magical blue lagoon eryngium from Royal Flowers. I personally shifted that with a bit of the super silver from Design Master, so it just adds that little touch of sparkle. And then lastly, I added in a little bit of Italian ruscus for some shine and some movement in the design, and then tucked in these silver stars, which I simply have anchored in, and I'll show you here, with the skewers that are attached with U-glue on the back. Holidays sometimes are about adding a little bit extra glitz. So just to finish off here, I'm going to add a little bit of ribbon. This is really sparkly ribbon that ties in the stars. Just simply making a loop and a couple tails, tucking it in. Showing your customers how to take an arrangement over the top is a great way to add on to your sales every year during the holidays. For more creative inspiration, stay tuned to this channel. Thanks for watching today, guys.